back for day 2. Feed our sourdough starter. Add quarter cup, 57 grams of unsqueezed pineapple juice. Half a cup, 64 grams of whole wheat flour. And today's mix, which is sourdough Jeff. So all we do is just pour this in. So I'm just getting a little busy and take this thing off like that, and we pour in Jack. There we go. Let's try this again. Move my edge. Now we do this. Mix that, mix that, mix that, mix. I did this last video. Mix that, mix that, mix it. It's a lot difficult. In order to mix, you can use your hands. Ugh. Very gross. Make sure to wash your hands before you touch this with your hands, and it's all incorporated, so here's what it looks like. Now it's time to put in our container, rest for until tomorrow. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to pull this thing